In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add funds to your Exness demo account for MT4 or MT5. If you want to practice strategies or test new ideas without risking real money, topping up your demo balance is the fastest way to create a realistic trading environment. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently from your Exness personal area. Start by heading to the official Exness website and logging into your personal area. This is the secure dashboard where you manage all your accounts. Make sure you're on the correct site and connected over a secure network, and avoid sharing any login details with anyone. Once you're in, look for the My Accounts section. Within that area, you'll see a tab labeled Demo. Click that to filter your accounts so only your demo profiles are shown. This helps you avoid mixing up demo and real accounts. Find the specific demo account you want to add funds to. If you have several, check the account number or platform type so you choose the right one. Keeping your demo accounts organized with clear names can make this step easier. Next, click the Set Balance button located next to that demo account. This is the control that lets you instantly adjust the virtual funds available in that account. Enter the amount you'd like as your new virtual balance, whether that's something small like $100 to practice microlot precision, or something larger like $10,000 to simulate a standard trading environment. When you're happy with the figure, confirm by clicking Set Balance. The change applies immediately. You'll see the updated balance right away in your personal area, and you're ready to put it to work. Open your trading platform, either MT4 or MT5, and log into the same demo account. Once connected, your platform should display the new balance, and you can start practicing with those virtual funds. A quick tip: choose a balance that mirrors what you'd realistically trade with on a live account. That way, your position sizing, risk management, and psychology will be more authentic. You can repeat the set balance action anytime to top up or reduce funds as your testing needs change. Remember, demo funds are not real money, but treating them seriously will help you build better habits. Also note that execution, spreads, and slippage can differ slightly from live trading, so use demo results as guidance rather than a guarantee. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to My Accounts, select Demo, choose your account, set the balance, and start practicing on MT4 or MT5. Enjoy your training and trade smart.